To replace the toner in a B432, all you have to do is open at the top, pull the lever to the unlocked position, lift one side out, pull the other side out, discard the old one, put the new one in, pushing in the tab on the side, and then putting it into the lock position. To replace the imaging drum on a B432 or B431, open up the lid, just like how you did on the toner. Pull back to the unlock position, lift out, set aside, and then pull the whole unit out. It lifts straight out, and then discard that, put the new one in, put your toner back in, and set it to the lock position. Common printing issues such as streaking or fading can be solved by wiping down the LED array. We found right here, after opening up the lid, use a damp paper towel, wipe it down, and it should solve your issue.